Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your Apple ID is not active on iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're having this type issue that your Apple ID is not active, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first thing is that you have to make sure that you are connected to internet via your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to check if you are connected to any VPN, or if you are connected, try to disconnect with your VPN. And once you have disconnected, you have to make sure that you haven't any software update available, or if you have any software update, try to update your software. And once you have updated your software, you have to retry to log in your Apple ID, or if you want to. So it might be that your problem will be fixed, or if it doesn't work for you, you have to open this browser and you have to simply search for sport.apple.com, or you have to search for Apple Store and open the first website, and you will get to this type of interface. Select your iPhone or iPad, and here you just have to scroll down and look for the Get Support option. Once you get, tap on Start Now option, and here you have to scroll down and look for the More option here. And here you have to select the App Store, or you have to look for iTunes here. Here's the iTunes tab on it. Then tap on Continue, and here you have to select the Get More Help option. Then tap on Call Us, and here you will get the official number of Apple support team. You can easily talk with them and ask about your issue, or you can easily activate your Apple ID with this step. So in this way, you can easily fix if your Apple ID is not active on your iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.